Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today we are going to discuss Leetcode 138 copy list with random pointer. And this question was asked of me in my Uber interview. I will throw up a link to that interview so you guys can see it if you haven't. I was also asked this question in my Amazon AWS interview, and I was able to answer that through some hinting because it's not very straightforward to answer this question if you haven't really seen it before. So let's dive into it. This question is essentially asking you to construct a deep copy of the linked list given to us. So this linked list is a bit special because in addition to the next pointer, we have a random pointer which can point to any other node randomly, as you can see from examples 1 and 2 over here. And we have our third example. This question has gotten 14K likes, so it's absolutely necessary that you guys understand how to do this question. Let's get started. I have example 1 listed out here for you guys to see, and I will show you guys the class that we use where we've defined the value, the next pointer, and the random pointer. So in the original Uber interview, the way I approached this problem was to introduce a copy pointer, but this is actually not a good solution. And using a hash map as well is also not a good solution. So by doing this, we incur extra O of n space. There is a way to do this problem a lot more efficiently without incurring that extra space. You just have to think a little bit out of the box. All you have to do literally is to break up your linked list to point to your copies. It's gonna look like this, visually speaking. So by doing this, you know exactly where your copies are located. And this is essential because copying the random pointers become a lot easier once you know where your copies are located. After this, you must make sure you get your next pointer squared off properly and you remove all references to the copies from the original. This is how you go about solving this problem. Now, coding this up is going to be slightly a bit challenging. You do need mastery with your coding language to get a correctly compiled code. Okay, so we've got a solution here. I've written the code out in Golang because I'm crazy. Honestly, lead coding with Golang is absolutely insane. But here we are. This is essentially everything we've discussed over here. And I have my original, and eventually I'm separating the original from the copies. I am going to go ahead and submit this code. And here we go.